Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Get to Know Me. Today's question, oh Lord, this question says, if you could turn any activity into an Olympic sport, what would you have a good chance of winning a medal for? Wait, add winning medal for. What? That doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna write whatever way the question is written here. But anyways, I think definitely I'm gonna try to do 3 options. Okay, so the first would for sure be talking, because I talk out of my elbows. It's weird because I personally do not like mingling a lot and socializing a lot. Like if I have to, I will do it, but I'd rather not. I'm a little introverted. It's so funny though, because like my friends always laugh. They're like, you're not introverted, but like personally I would rather be by myself than in like a huge group of people. And if there's a huge group of people, I'm usually not the one to like, you know, stand out, or at least that's the way I see it. I don't know, my friends apparently see it otherwise, but yeah, so definitely talking would be one of them. The second would be eating. I know it's just, oh, good food is so good. And like not even healthy stuff, like just random stuff. I just like to eat. Like it doesn't have to be like super like junk food, but it also like it's not necessarily healthy food. But yeah, definitely eating is the second. For the third one, I'm gonna have to say at Harry Pottering. I don't even know if that's like an activity. I don't think I would win the gold medal because there's still a lot of things that I don't know. But I do feel like I have quite a wide knowledge about Harry Potter and the wizarding world, so I could definitely compete in that. I think for sure maybe I'll get like silver or bronze, but definitely not gold. But yeah, this was a fun question. I'm trying to think of others, like other random things. Honestly, I feel like it's so hard to pick something that you're good at. I personally don't think I have a lot of like good qualities, you would say. Like I'm average at most things, or at least that's how I consider myself. But anyways, I think that would be it for this video. I already gave you guys 3. These are turning like shorter and shorter, which is so weird because again, I love talking. But anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys had fun and you're getting to know me maybe like a minute at a time. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, what are you waiting for? Just kidding. Bye.